Bring a pot of water to a rolling boil. Drop the florets into the water to blanch them for about 30 seconds. Then, remove and run them under ice-cold water, or have a mixing bowl with ice cubes to stop the cooking process. I love to quickly toast my pine nuts on the stove. Pop them on a skillet or nonstick pan and toast for 2 minutes. Nice and toasty but not burnt. Throw the blanched broccoli florets, garlic cloves, pine nuts, and fresh herbs into a food processor and pulse until you get a coarse paste. Now, add olive oil slowly and continue pulsing to emulsify. If your food processor has a chute, add olive oil as you pulse so it turns into a creamy pesto-like consistency. If your food processor doesn't have a chute, add a tablespoon at a time to get to the desired consistency. Add some salt and pepper to taste, and your broccoli pesto is all done.